Welcome to InfoWare. In this video, I would like to explain MapTrip Truck. As you can see here on my smartphone, there is a truck icon instead of a car icon, indicating that I am now in truck mode. And when we zoom and pan around, we will also see some truck limitations shown clearly on the map. Like there, for instance, there is a height limit of 3 meters 70. There, the road goes under a bridge there. In this case over here, the road is completely blocked for trucks, so you cannot drive through it, or MapTrip will not drive through it, except if your destination is there, of course. When we go into the settings, into the routing settings, you will find on the very top the vehicle type, and here you can select whether you're driving in a heavy truck that would like to prefer to, where you would like to prefer to stay on the highway for as long as possible, and on the major roads as long as possible, and totally avoid small roads, or a truck interurban, which is meant for smaller trucks, or if you're a car. And then separately you can choose your vehicle dimensions. So you can say we've prepared some profiles here, or you can create your own and enter the specifics, the dimensions of your truck, like width, height, weight, number of axles, length, and so on and so forth. Tunnel restrictions, or whether you're transporting dangerous goods, and then the routes will be calculated accordingly. Of course, when you just go out of this, when you select a truck profile, your estimated time of arrival or your travel time will also be calculated accordingly. You will not travel as fast as with a car. And if I show you here, for instance, when I'm calculating a route, you can see this in the travel time. So an hour from here to Cologne is rather long.
Stay on this road.
Also, when you're in truck mode and you're going into the companion traffic by sliding the screen over like this, then you will see on the lower right hand corner this truck parking icon. And there you can select the truck parkings that you will pass on your route. So those are not truck parkings that are somewhere in the vicinity, but truck parkings that you will actually pass by. And you can see that it will show that to you on the map. It shows you some of the facilities it offers, and you can insert it directly into your itinerary, and it will calculate a route there. If this sliding thing here, if you don't like that, I must say on some devices it doesn't work so well. You can also tap directly on this arrow, and it will go back and forth between the two screens. Right, let's see. Then there is also something which we call Multiview, because most trucks have more room, and they might have bigger screens, so we have created the Multiview in order to accommodate more information that you can see at one glance. And all of the functions and functionalities that I just showed to you are also available through the API. So if you run your own application on the same device and you wanted to interact with MapTrip, you can do all the settings via the API, or if you want to do it remotely, you can of course do it using MapTrip Remote and use our JavaScript API to do it from a web application, for instance. So that was MapTrip Truck. If you have more questions, of course there are lots more options. If you have more questions, go ahead and contact us. Thank you.